sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute elf girl. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new Christmas lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
We can see head, hair, hat, hairpin, coat, arms and legs. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, hat, coat, arms and legs. Now let's start drawing. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle and draw a circle for head. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Then let's draw hair. Draw a curve over here on the right side, then another curve to the left side. Then draw two dots for eyes and U-shape in the middle for smile. Oh, you're doing great! I like your lines. Now we're gonna draw a head. Draw a curve to the up. I start over here and draw a line that goes to the up, and let's draw the same step on the right side. I start over here and go up and connect. Then let's draw a small circle for pom-pom. Now let's draw two curves for coat collar. I start over here under the head and draw curve to the right and to the left. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw diagonal lines under the coat collar on the left side, then on the right side, and let's connect them. Then let's draw hem. I draw C shape on the left side under this line, then backward C shape on the right side, and let's connect these ends. Now let's draw the left sleeve. We're gonna draw diagonal line, then connect them with coat, C shape and connect with the coat. And let's draw the same step on the right side. Diagonal line, then connect with the coat, backward C shape and connect with the coat again. Now let's draw mittens. Big U shape and small U shape on the left side, and let's draw the same step on the right side. Big U shape and small U shape. Now let's add buttons. I draw circle, heart, and circle again in the middle of the coat. Now let's draw legs. Two vertical lines and then connect them with the curve. And let's draw the same step on the right side. Two vertical lines and curve between. Now let's finish her hair. I draw diagonal line, then another diagonal line under this line and connect them on the left side and the same step on the right side. Then let's draw a hairpin, looks like a holly. Two little circles, then zigzag to the up, then to the down for leaf on the left side, then the same step on the right side, zigzag line and connect them. And let's draw the same hairpin on the right side. 2 small circles, then leaves, zigzag to the up, another zigzag and connect them. On the right side, then let's draw the same step on the left side. Zigzag line to the up on the left side, then another zigzag and connect them. And let's draw C shape over here and backwards S shape on the right side. Let's draw the same step on the left side. Backwards C shape and S shape over here. Then let's draw a diagonal line inside the pigtails on the left side, then on the right side. Then let's draw diagonal lines in the other direction. On the left side and on the right side.
Oh, we did it! I like your drawing. It's so cute. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Now, let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose peach color for skin. You can choose any color you like. Tracing, then coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose pink for blush. You can choose any color you like. Draw an oval on the left side under the eye. Then draw another oval on the right side under the eye and color it. Then I choose yellow for hair. Yellow, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, you're doing great! I like you, girl! Then I choose red for holly. For holly hairpin. For bottoms. Try to stay inside the lines. And I choose red for head. For pom-pom. Not a head. Then I choose green for head. I'm tracing again. And coloring inside. Then I choose green for coat, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Oh, I like your drawing. It's so cute. Tracing and coloring inside. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose gray and draw a lines over here. I choose another green for leaves. Try to stay inside the lines.
I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!